It was that little pull-up shit you just showed me. That shit, and also I'm just saying all of the other shit you was just doing. But nah, cause I didn't know that. Hey, this nigga. Hey, I didn't know that. Doing the pull-ups like that on that bar would feel like that. You be seeing the YouTube videos where they be like, hang on this for a minute or do this certain amount they pay you. I didn't know how hard that shit was, bro.
Way to go. You just hit your pull-ups and do
Damn, that shit is
Slack chat. I just
crazy.
did some curls to failure, so I don't want to hear shit.
Yeah.
Don't be flaming me in that mouth. Oh, you know, you talking all that shit. I'm telling you, when I can find someone that have more time to eat, you gonna see, bro.
Yo, what's going on with y'all niggas, man?
You ain't gonna see the skinny shit in the morning. I'm gonna just roll this shit. Trust me.
I ain't gonna lie to that. Compared to how I was looking like last year fully, I straight did put on a little bit more muscle on my arms and shit. But I do gotta get stronger overall. I ain't gonna lie. With some real shit, bro. Then y'all can see like my fucking chest and shit. My shit went down. That shit be happening.
Next, we got that shit though. You know what tricep dips are? We got weighted tricep dips, nigga.
That shit is crazy. Ain't that the shit that be holding on to like this part of your body and shit around?
You know, I don't got that. So I make my bootleg version. It's called slapping the weight inside this fucking backpack and slapping on my back end.
Yeah, I seen that. I like dips though. I gotta do some sit-ups and shit. I'm gonna get to that, bro. Right now, I'm finna try to push myself to failure again for this shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, my arms are fucking fried, bro. Yo, chat, I'm sorry, bro. My other shit was like fucking up. This is straight off no fucking stretch. I already been in here for at least like 30 minutes already.
This my arms are swollen, bro. Look at this, y'all. Look at this pump, bro. You see the vein, bro? See that vein, bro? Arm is swollen.
Niggas really putting in work, chat. Now, me personally, I don't really give no fuck. I just work. I just keep working. Damn, Chuck. I brought in the split so I can spark up just in case. I don't even want to smoke. After I might smoke that. I can't do it right now, but the live is already. If you go to my Instagram, I can show you how to pull it up, basically. Yeah, just go to my IG and shit. Yeah, you can do it like that. You can talk that motherfucker. I just took a picture, bro.
Yo, this thing got me spread. Wait, how do I copy the link?
If you could do a little thing like share. Yeah, copy. Yep. Yep. I'm gonna be live at JT crib too.
Now just click share.
Yes, sir. You could not even that. Copy the link. Yeah, copy it. Press share. Press copy.
Fuck.
This nigga might be mental, chat. I ain't gonna lie.
Bear with me, chat. I'm a little lightheaded.
Yeah, then you could post whatever you want to your story so they can see you on there too. Alright, chat, I'm finna go put up this other weight right now. Finna do some shit for my setups and shit. Probably like, let me see if I can do a quick through. Maybe chat, my arms are fucking fried, so I don't even know. Damn, my arms dry, bro. Yeah, my arms too fried, bro.
That's what I mean.
Bro, my arms are
Bro,
good.
that's why you gotta give yourself a rest, bro. You gotta like take like 2 minute breaks or some shit.
My arms cooked out, bro. I'm just gonna get something else to drink, chat. Yeah, I'm definitely feeling that shit right now, bro. Just being honest with y'all niggas, man.
See, come on, chat. Yeah, chat. Yeah, chat. See that chat? It's just literally just right in there, bro. In there, look at that. Like chambers, right? And a big ass movie theater, like it's a full size movie theater, actual movies. So you can watch the movie while you're fucking doing the party. And niggas, they play good ass movies like Saw, shit, actual like.
So you really start to feel that restraint on your muscles, bro. I'm already, like my arms are already dead because I've been doing arms for a little minute. I gotta give myself like a 2-minute rest. Yo, could somebody type something so I can see if it pops up on here? It's my first time using this. Damn, chat. Damn, chat, I gotta keep working out. I gotta keep working out, chat. Y'all see cuz KB putting in that work right now? Hey, why is it us playing, bro?
That was realistic.
Yeah, nigga. That's some cool farming shit. Hey, bro, this nigga be bro, I promise you, bro. When this nigga here, bro, this nigga be reminding me of Speed crazy. The shit this nigga be doing is fucking stupid.
Nigga, somebody has to.
I ain't gonna lie, chat, bro. I feel fucking dude. Man.
What time is it right now? Make sure they ain't closed.
It's oh shit, I can't wait a second. I can't see it.
I ain't gonna lie. We got a fresh balance. Shut your ass up.
I'll be gravy in 2 weeks, chat. I just haven't turned my phone. It hit different.
It's okay, honestly.
Hey, chat, it hit different when you gotta go on your own plan. No cap. No cap. Hey, yo. Bro, could one of y'all niggas please comment, bro, so I can see what this shit looks like? I don't know if it pops up on here, bro. Damn, chat, that shit kind of look crazy. Fuck, man, I gotta keep fucking working, bro. That shit not good enough, man.
Damn.
Yes, sir.
Bust my head. I had to knock that shit early. I was gonna smack my shit.
Man.
I ain't gonna lie, chat. I argue this is the most important time of a streamer's career. It's times like these, you know what I'm saying? It's the beginning stages. When this nigga got millions, I'm telling you, he gonna look back on this very stream like, damn.
Nigga, I'm
This
at
is where
the
niggas
gym
started
with this
up,
nigga.
bro.
And it's fucking snowing crazy outside. Y'all niggas don't even know that.
Niggas losing traction.
Damn.
Niggas barely made it in one piece, but we got plot armor because we the main characters, bro. This is how it works. That's how that shit works.
I want to get some abs in, bro. I just need a little fucking thing to put my fucking feet under and shit. Niggas would be good. Yeah, that shit'll work. my shit under.
That's enough of that shit,
Man. What else you gotta do? What time was you getting out of here? Cause Key basically off work now, I think.
He's gonna be like, he's got 3 more workouts left and that's it. Should be out here in like 30 minutes.
Nah, bro, I was just wondering cause I'm like, I think that nigga probably off now.
No, he definitely off. He's definitely off. I'm gonna FaceTime that nigga quick, see where he at.
Bro. I'm like, I could probably do one. I can't do that.
Yo, where you at right now, twin? About wrapped up in the gym. Bitch ass black ass nigga JT on the faked out completely, bro. Oh yeah, them will get you right. Motherfuckers don't know about them. Motherfuckers don't know about them. Them hoes ain't no joke. What you think, bro? Yes, you fat ass. I mean, skinny ass still at the gym, bro. Damn, bro. That's that black ass nigga. Shit is damn shame, man. You nigga putting that work in, bro. Hold on. That nigga hitting them all though.
No, bro, I be doing like 50 to 100 of these.
Yo, you gotta say what's up to the stream, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, that nigga live.
Yeah.
Chat. What up, chat?
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, bro, but... You said what?
I'm starting to feel them bitches chat. Starting to feel them all, bro. My fucking arms, bro. I ain't stopping though.
Alright, you ain't gonna be fucking with what we got next, bro.
Man, that shit is ridiculous, bro. On some real shit. Oh, my bad, chat. Damn, wait a second. I ain't trying to fuck my shit up too much, chat. Yo, I'm finna check to see if we still live right now.